guys, so I got this amazing gift for my friend. He loves to drive motorcycles and he is my best friend, so I wanted to get him something amazing for his birthday. And I figured a dash cam for a motorcycle was something new that he didn't have. And it's going to record the front and back of everything. It has front and rear cameras, nice thick full manual. It comes with a 32 gig SD card, but you can put up to 128 gigs in it. It can be wired and controlled with this little remote while driving. A lot of drivers just do not pay attention to motorcycles, and I want him to be safe and be able to record everything that happens on the road, especially if there happened to be an accident. It'd be an easier way to prove the fault. So it comes with all the directions on how to set it up and how to wire it, and it's pretty simple and it's color coded. Here's the actual dash cam, which is a 1080p, so really clear quality with a 180-degree viewing angle. Let's see what else we got in the box. All the hardware to set it up. Oh, this is the cameras actually. This is the front and back camera. The wiring. And this is stuck on with a 3M, so really strong. And all the color-coded wiring, so it's really easy to set up. It's got the zip ties and everything to put on it. All the parts that you may need to get this thing on the bike and set up. So I'm excited, as it's going to be an amazing gift that I'm sure he will love.